In this demonstration, you'll see how Teamcenter brings PLM inside mechanical CAD systems to help you work smarter. You're a design engineer working to complete the design of a handrail using NX. Here, we see some great search and filtering capabilities to help you get to the right data quickly, and all without leaving the mechanical CAD tool that you're familiar with. When you find what you're looking for, you can open it up directly in NX. Within NX, you can search in Teamcenter for more information. Here, we're looking for a housing component to add to your drill assembly. Once you find the component you need, you can view the information around it before finally adding it to your assembly. The Teamcenter NX integration ensures that the design work you're doing in NX is kept in sync with Teamcenter, so your teams are always working to the right data. When your work is saved, you can easily get back to the Teamcenter view and submit your work to a design approval workflow.